This week, pay for fuel at any PP garage using your NetBank debit card to stand a chance to win a cash prize of 10,000 rands. Welcome to all my fans on TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Amazulu 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by fan my brother Kamabanu Pumagupi.
Moses egama mfethu.
Moses ubone kanjani game?
Bona mfethu.
Yeah,
asinayo umuntu ocreative ku midfielder.
Yes.
Awukwazi ufaka uSithebe, ufake sorry.
Whoa, Makhosi.
Ufaka uSithebe, ufaka uMthetho.
Yes.
Awunayo umuntu ozoba creative. Labantu badlala into eyi-one.
Enjani?
Yabona umfana uzwana.
Yes.
Umfana ocreative lo.
Yes.
Sekufanele bamsebenzise.
Usamke.
To create chances.
Yes. Yes.
So understand ibhola lika Johnson ukuthi lihamba kanjani.
Yes.
We need the culture ye Chiefs.
What's the culture ye Chiefs, my brother?
I culture ye Chiefs mfethu ngalabantu badlala ibhola. You know. Yeah. Abenza ama passes.
Creativity.
You know.
Yes.
So we are failing. Into sidlalayo ibonakala. We don't create chances.
Yes.
You know. Ibhola yabona lo mfana uDupreez.
Yes.
It's my man of the match.
Yes.
Yabona.
Yes.
Because he tried by all means, but ke wahluleka because udlale one.
Exactly.
You know. So sinida umuntu ku Chiefs also be creative to create ama chances.
Yes, my brother.
You know, we have strikers.
Yes.
But we don't have someone
who supplies them.
Who supply them. You know.
Yes, my brother. Uzofika ku top 8.
So are you going to fight for the top 8? We're going to fight for the top 8.
No, mfethu. I top 8 sizofika kuyona.
Yes,
but sizofika ngefavor.
Ngefavor.
Obrigado.
Whoa, members. Uzofika ku top 8 ngefavor.
Favor mfethu.
Yes.
You know, masikhuluma ngefavor.
Yes.
Yinto osibona sowufikile kuyo.
Yeah.
Ungazi ukuthi ufike kanjani.
Ngenhlanhla. Ngiyathola brother.
UCarvin Johnson at least kusheka games. I think 2 games left.
Yes.
Makabuyisele ntwana uzwana.
Yes.
Samkelo uzwana.
Yes.
You know, makayekele ezintwana labo Vilakazi baqala igame badlala ibhola.
Yes.
You know, uzobona mfethu Chiefs ukuthi izawudlala kanjani.
Ngani man of the match?
My man of the match, Ashrim Dupreez.
Thank you, my brother.